Complete English Grammar Course. Introduction. Grammar is the foundation of the English language. It enables us to communicate ideas clearly and effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your knowledge, this course will take you from the basics to advanced levels with step-by-step explanations. Chapter 1. Parts of Speech. The English language has 8 parts of speech. These are the building blocks of sentences. Let's understand each one in detail. 1.1 Nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Example: person, teacher, doctor, Sarah. Place: school, London, park. Thing: book, apple, table. Idea: love, happiness, freedom. Nouns are of several types. 1. Common nouns refer to general names. Example: dog, city. 2. Proper nouns, specific names and always capitalized. Example: John, Paris. 3. Abstract nouns, ideas or qualities that cannot be seen. Example: courage, honesty. 4. Concrete nouns, things you can touch or see. Example: pen, chair. 5. Collective nouns, name a group of things. Example: team, flock. 1.2 Pronouns. Pronouns are used in place of nouns to avoid repetition. Example: instead of Sarah likes Sarah's book, use Sarah likes her book. Types of pronouns. 1. Personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. 2. Possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. 3. Reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, themselves. 4th, demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. 5. Interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, which, what. 6th, relative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which, that. 1.3 Verbs. A verb expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. Example: action, run, jump, write. State of being: is, are, was. Explanation: 1. Action, verbs, show physical or mental action. Example: run, think. 2. Linking verbs, connect the subject with a description. Example: am, is, seem. 3. Helping verbs, auxiliary. Help the main verb. Example: can, will, has. 1.4 Adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns or pronouns by giving more information. Example: the red apple is delicious. She is a brilliant student. Adjectives answer these questions. What kind? Beautiful, tall. How many? 3. Many. Which one? This, those. 1.5 Adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Example: he runs quickly, modifies the verb. She is very tall, modifies the adjective. Adverbs answer how: quickly, slowly. When? Yesterday, now. Where? Here, there. 1.6 Prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. Example: the book is on the table. She walked to the park. Common prepositions: in, on, at, with, under, over, between. 1.7 Conjunctions. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. Example: I like tea and coffee. She is tired but happy. Types of conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. And, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. 2. Subordinating conjunctions: because, although, while. 3. Correlative conjunctions: either or, neither nor. 1.8 Interjections. Interjections express strong emotions or sudden feelings. Example: Wow, that's amazing. Oh no, I forgot my keys. Chapter 2. Sentence structure. Sentences are made up of a subject, predicate, and sometimes an object. Let's dive deeper. 2.1 Types of sentences. 1. Declarative sentences. Make a statement. Example: I like coffee. 2. Interrogative sentences. Ask a question. Example: do you like coffee? 3. Imperative sentences. Give a command. Example: please pass the salt. 4. Exclamatory sentences. Express strong emotion. Example: what a beautiful day. 2.2 Sentence components. 1. Subject: the person or thing the sentence is about. Example: she is reading. 2. Predicate: tells something about the subject. Example: she is reading a book. 3. Object: receives the action of the verb. Example: she is reading a book. Chapter 3. Verb tenses. English has 12 tenses. Each tense shows the time of an action. 3.1 Present tense. 1. Simple present: I eat. 2. Present continuous: I am eating. 3. Present perfect: I have eaten. 4. Present perfect continuous: I have been eating. 3.2 Past tense. 1. Simple past: I ate. 2. Past continuous: I was eating. 3. Past perfect: I had eaten. 4. Past perfect continuous: I had been eating. 3.3 Future tense. 1. Simple future: I will eat. 2. Future continuous: I will be eating. 3. Future perfect: I will have eaten. 4. Future perfect continuous: I will have been eating. Chapter 4. Advanced Grammar Topics. 4.1 Active and Passive Voice. Active voice: the subject performs the action. Example: the cat chased the mouse. Passive voice: the action is performed on the subject. Example: the mouse was chased by the cat. 4.2 Direct and Indirect Speech. Direct speech: I am happy, she said. Indirect speech: she said that she was happy. 4.3 Conditionals. Conditionals express hypothetical situations. 1. Zero conditional: if it rains, the ground gets wet. 2. Conditional: if I study, I will pass. 3. Conditional: if I were rich, I would travel. 4. Conditional: if I had studied, I would have passed. This course provides the essentials for mastering English grammar. Each topic builds upon the previous one, helping you develop a strong understanding of the language. Would you like detailed exercises for practice?